Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not entering. First, perform a quick system restart. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. Next, verify your internet connection, ensuring it is stable and offers at least 25 megabits per second for smooth gameplay. Also, check Roblox server status online, as the issue might be on their end, saving you unnecessary troubleshooting. These initial checks can quickly pinpoint or solve common loading problems. Your computer's firewall or antivirus might be blocking Roblox from launching properly. Try temporarily disabling these security programs for a few moments, then attempt to open Roblox again. If it works, remember to add Roblox and its launcher to your security software's exception list to prevent future conflicts. Always re-enable your security software afterwards to stay protected. Corrupted temporary files can often prevent Roblox from starting. Navigate to your app data folder and delete the Roblox cache to resolve this. If the problem persists, a full reinstallation is often the most effective solution. Completely uninstall the Roblox player, restart your computer, and then download and reinstall the latest version, running the installer as an administrator. This ensures a clean and fresh setup. Outdated drivers or an old operating system can cause compatibility issues with Roblox. Make sure your graphics card drivers are updated to their latest versions, as this is crucial for game performance. Also, install any pending updates for your operating system to ensure full compatibility. Finally, confirm that the Roblox client itself is fully updated, as newer versions often fix bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.